Hey, my name is Sam, aka Mr. Two Pairs Minimum, and today we're going to take a quick look at the Massif down jacket by the North Face. This jacket retails for £310, but I managed to grab these at the Bicester Village designer outlet for £187. It features an adjustable hem, zip hand pockets, and an internal zip chest pocket. It's a standard fit with a lofty 700 goose down feel construction. A massif is a large mountain mass or compact group of connected mountains forming an independent portion of a range. The word comes from the French word massif, which means massive. Ironically, what I like most about this jacket is that it's not massive. For me, it's the perfect middle ground between a featherweight puffer and a full-on winter parka. It's warm enough for UK winters if you layer it with a solid base and mid-layers, plus it's slim enough to easily fit into my waterproof shell without looking crazy bulky. I bought this to upgrade from my 1996 Sherpa Nupsy. Shameless plug, check out that video while you're here. But as much as I loved wearing that jacket over the years, I prefer that the Massif is lighter, easier to pack, has a slightly longer length, its quick dry and water repellent design makes it easier to clean and maintain. I also appreciate its overall minimal design with a much smaller logo. I'm wearing a size medium, I'm 6'1" and weigh around 90 kilograms or 200 pounds if that helps. I'm also thinking of doing a full North Face jacket collection video. I've recently been doing a lot of decluttering, getting rid of a lot of some of the old stuff I've had, and embracing minimalism. So let me know if you would like some of that content coming soon. Thanks for watching, drop a like and comment Massif to show me you enjoyed this video. Now let's discuss, what's your favourite jacket? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Apart from that, have a good day.